The Lynx M20 represents a significant advancement in the field of mobile robotics. Not just a new robot model. The Lynx M20 was designed for very different purposes. Even though many robot dogs still perform dances for audiences at shows and show off their agility in perfect lab settings. It is a tool made to survive and function in hazardous settings, where conventional equipment is ineffective. In the world of robots, this four-legged robot from Deep Robotics, a Chinese company, is a true Terminator. It can function in harsh environments, including intense rain, thick smoke, ice, dust, and debris from demolished structures. It is completely dust and waterproof due to its IP67 protection grade, which means that it not only resists the effects of nature, but also keeps working where most would stop. The Lynx M20's strong kinematics and clever balancing system allow it to maintain stability and control on slick surfaces, stairs, hills, and uneven terrain. The Lynx M20 can already take the place of people in the most hazardous operations. It can reach disaster areas first after catastrophes, go through tunnels and dark hangars, send high-definition video, detect potential victims, and navigate turmoil to find rescuers. It can be utilized for military operations, reconnaissance, delivering up to 20 kilograms of cargo, patrolling industrial zones, and protecting critical facilities. Moreover, it operates autonomously for more than 4 hours, and if it falls, it simply gets up and keeps going as if nothing happened. Unitary B2W is not just an updated version of the famous robot dog B2. It is a true demonstration of how far Chinese engineering has advanced in creating autonomous, powerful, and smart machines of the new generation. The Unitary B2W is equipped with a powerful computing platform and advanced sensors. It sees the world around it using LiDAR, depth cameras, and stereo vision. It has lightning-fast reactions, and its AI brain allows it to instantly adapt to changing conditions. It analyzes the environment, makes decisions on the fly, can avoid obstacles, and builds routes in real time. Thanks to these capabilities, the B2W can autonomously patrol areas, accompany people, carry loads, and perform tasks in complete darkness or bad weather. What really sets this model apart is the balance between power and intelligence. The Unitary B2W can move at speeds up to 2.5 meters per second, pull or carry loads up to 20 kilograms, operate for 2 to 4 hours on a single charge, and interact with other robots and humans via voice, tablet, or API system. It has pre-installed behavior algorithms, but can be quickly reprogrammed for any tasks if necessary. Today, such machines are not a luxury or a show of strength, but an important step forward toward a future where technology becomes a full partner. The Unitary B2W is like the awakening of a machine's talent. It no longer just follows commands, it understands where to go and why. Chinese engineers from the company Weilon have introduced a new robot dog called AlphaDog, a unique four-legged robot with artificial intelligence capable of freely moving in real-world environments. This project is a response to the growing interest in multifunctional autonomous robots that can replace humans in a range of tasks, from logistics and security to accompaniment and entertainment. One of AlphaDog's main advantages is its high movement speed, up to 15 kilometers per hour. Thanks to advanced dynamic balancing system and control of the force in each joint, the robot maintains stability even when colliding with obstacles or moving over uneven surfaces. AlphaDog is equipped with cameras, sensors, and AI modules that allow it to recognize commands, follow a person, navigate space, and interact with the environment. It can be used in search and rescue operations, patrolling, delivery, and even as a companion. Japanese company Kawasaki has unveiled a prototype of its robotic motorhorse project. Kawasaki expects such devices to enter production by the year 2050. Instead of a heart, the Colio motorhorse is powered by a hydrogen engine, and instead of a brain, It uses an onboard computer with artificial intelligence that analyzes spatial positioning to ensure the robot maintains balance and the rider stays securely mounted. This is not just a means of transportation, it is a four-legged off-road machine capable of moving across any terrain, even leaping through snow-covered mountains. The robotic horse is equipped with a 150 cubic centimeter hydrogen engine that generates electricity. It also features a dashboard that displays hydrogen levels, the route to the summit, the position of the center of gravity, and other critical information. At night, the device supports optimal riding by projecting markers onto the road surface to indicate the path forward. Each of the robot's four legs is fitted with hooves made of a special rubber and material structure that absorbs surface irregularities and prevents slipping. These hooves can adapt to various landscapes, including meadows, rocky terrain, and gravel fields. For the first time in history, we have witnessed a unique experiment, robots coming into direct contact with wild primal instinct. This is not science fiction or a movie scene, but a real experiment conducted at one of the most renowned zoos in Australia, Taronga Zoo in Sydney. It is a fully fledged scientific study aimed at understanding how animals react to autonomous technology, and whether such robots can be used for monitoring, population tracking, or even for training and behavioral observation in environments close to the wild. Cheetahs encounter a robot for the very first time. The robot moves smoothly and realistically, with a gait characteristic of a four-legged machine. And this is where it gets fascinating. Cheetahs are predators, perfectly adapted for hunting, but their instinct tells them that what they see is something alien, something they have never encountered in nature. And that is a triumph of technology. A similar situation occurs with the lions. At first, the lions show passive interest. They observe, approach slowly, like kings assessing whether someone has intruded on their territory. But as the robot draws nearer and moves with realistic precision, the lion's hunting instinct awakens. One of them suddenly lunges and just as suddenly stops. The look in the animal's eyes seems to say, "This is not prey and not a toy. This is something else." The Chinese company Magic Lab has made a breakthrough in robotics by presenting a new generation four-legged robot dog capable of autonomous movement, spatial orientation, and interaction with the environment. It can move across various surfaces, avoid obstacles, maintain balance, and execute pre-programmed commands. In one demonstration video, the robot dog is shown walking on a leash behind a bipedal humanoid. The robot can avoid hazardous locations, adjust to unforeseen changes along the road, and analyze its path in real time. Because of this, the creators are also thinking of using it as a tool to help those who are blind or visually handicapped. The robot dog can act as a guide, assisting people in moving through the city securely because of its accurate navigation, steady pace, and ability to respond to voice orders. Swiss Mile engineers are still refining the next generation of robot dogs. Animal, their robot, embodies a special fusion of adaptability and mobility. It can effortlessly transition between walking on legs and four wheels. As a result, Animal can go quickly on level roadways and navigate challenging obstacles like stairs, curbs, and uneven ground with equal ease. With a top speed of 22 kilometers per hour, the robot can carry up to 50 kilograms of weight. Engineers boosted manipulation capabilities and increased movement accuracy and stability in the most recent edition. The animal can now utilize its front limbs, such as hands, to carry objects or open doors while standing on its back limbs. The robot can position itself without outside assistance thanks to its autonomous navigation system, which uses LiDAR, cameras, and GPS. After watching this video, let us know what you enjoyed most in the comments section. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you liked this video. Until we meet again.